Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use a Binance USDT Voucher. First, log into your Binance account. Once logged in, look for the Reward Center or My Vouchers section, usually found under your profile icon or dashboard. This is where all your available vouchers are stored. Carefully review the details of your USDT voucher, including its value and expiration date, to ensure it's ready for use. This initial step is crucial for a smooth redemption process. Now let's redeem that voucher. After selecting your USDT voucher, you'll see a Redeem button. Click this button to initiate the redemption process. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to verify your action. Once confirmed, the system will process your request. Typically, the USDT amount, for example, 10 USDT, will be credited to your spot wallet within a few seconds, making it readily available for your use. After redemption, it's always a good idea to verify your funds. Head over to your spot wallet section. Here, you should see the newly added USDT reflected in your balance. For instance, if you redeemed a 20 USDT voucher, your USDT balance should increase by that exact amount. You can also check your transaction history for a clear record of the voucher redemption, providing full transparency and peace of mind. With your USDT now in your spot wallet, the possibilities are vast. You can use it to trade hundreds of different cryptocurrencies on the Binance spot market, perhaps buying Bitcoin or Ethereum. Alternatively, you might choose to transfer it to another wallet or even withdraw it to an external address. Many users also explore options like staking or lending their USDT to earn passive income, potentially yielding a 5% annual percentage rate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.